Hello, this is United Airlines flight UA816 from New York to New Delhi. Aircraft is Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. It is crossing Lahore Airspace at the moment. Its altitude is 39,000 feet and speed is 510 knots. It took 12 hours and 45 minutes from takeoff to reach at this point, and it will take another 45 minutes to land at New Delhi airport. At the moment it is crossing India and Pakistan border city Lahore. It is just entering into India. Good luck everybody. Thank you and keep watching my channel.